Alright gang, welcome to Hansens Speed Shop. Before we get started here today, I just want to remind everyone who is not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the sweet, cool, exciting, fun, any other word you can use to describe this channel. A lot of cool stuff going on here, a lot of cool stuff to check out on the channel if you haven't already, but there's a lot more cool stuff on the way. What we're looking at here today is a Hot Wheels 29 Ford Model A pickup. And I started this project quite a while ago, probably at least 2 years ago, and then I made quite a bit of progress on it, tore it apart, stripped it, I cut the hood off. The original plan for this was to make it into kind of like a 60s style, mid-60s style hot rod. We're still going to be going old school hot rod on this thing, but I've decided to do this thing up as a gasser. I've done two of these already. One of them I've done up as a gasser, and then the other one I did one of my most popular custom Hot Wheels videos was the Deep Junk Garage Shop Truck Challenge, and that was the last time I built one of these Model A pickups. So we're going to kind of do a little bit of what I liked on my Model A, on the gasser that I built, and on that shop truck I built. So it's going to be similar to the shop truck, as it has absolutely no hood. But we're going to be doing this up as a gasser. I had these headers in the back here. These are off of a Hot Wheels pass and gasser, so I'm going to maybe try to use those. That's what I had picked out when I was originally kind of doing this. We're going to have to cut the interior section. I'll show you where the dashboard, and then there's this connector section that hooks to our grill and the front gas tank there. So that whole big block in between those two pieces is gonna have to get trimmed out, and then the dash part basically will act as our firewall. And then I've got a couple engines in my parts stash. We'll see which one looks best and fits best in here. When I built the gasser version of one of these, I used a big blown Hemi. Might go that route again, but I'm not sure. Then as far as the fenders and everything goes, just other than some cleanup, not really anything to do on there. We're going to have to do a little bit of work and probably make a custom axe, so I don't have my wheels picked out yet, but you actually do have quite a bit of room under here to fit a pretty good sized tire without any real problems. We'll do a straight axle up front, and then as of right now, I'm planning to go like a metallic gold on this, but that is subject to change. So that is the build so far. It's pretty cool. I love this casting from Hot Wheels. Big fan of Ford Model A's in general. So this should be a pretty cool build. I've been wanting to do another one of these. Like I said, started this project like 2 years ago, and it's just kind of been in storage. And it's definitely time we jump back on it. So the next step is going to be getting this part trimmed out here, getting a motor fit in, kind of mocking these headers up, getting our wheels sorted out, and then we'll kind of go from there. Alright guys, so this will be the last time we take a look at the Model A pickup here before the final unveil, and as you can see, it's coming along absolutely bitchin'. Got that big old blown Hemi nestled in there. It's looking really good. I did have to make a firewall for it out of some plastic, not a big deal. I haven't 100% decided on the color yet. I was thinking gold. That'll probably be what I go with, but we'll just have to wait till the final unveil to see what we come up with. I still don't have my wheels for this thing, so we still got to do, I'm probably going to have to make a custom axle for the back. We're going to definitely have to do a straight axle up front, but I don't have my wheels yet. So basically, we got the dash here cleaned up. Our headers are in the back here, and our windows just for storage. Otherwise, we got the grill trimmed out. Everything's ready to go except for a little bit of cleanup to do. Our front rear axles, and then obviously painting and detailing. So the next time you guys will check this thing out will be at the final unveil, so we'll catch you there. it's time for the final unveil on this 29 Model A pickup gasser, and as you can see, it turned out absolutely awesome. This thing looks really sweet. Super happy with how this one came out. A ton of work went into it. But I'm really happy with it. I hope you guys dig it. If you do, comment below, let me know what you think. Just kind of recapping what everything was done on here. The hood was completely cut off. We had to build a custom firewall. We did an early Hemi swap in it with some custom headers off of a passing gasser. We did a straight axle up front. Let's see, what else did we do? We got some really cool Hot Wheels pie crust slicks out back with some slotted mag wheels up front from Hot Wheels, rear rider wheels. Gave it a really cool pure gold, metallic gold paint job from Testers. Detailed out the running boards, gave it a black vinyl top, detailed out the interior. I shaved the license plate bracket and rear taillight off the rear fender. This thing's got the perfect gasser stance. It rolls really nice. Underneath, everything's gloss black or chrome. Here's a look at the top side of this thing. Had to separate the grill and everything from the interior piece. A lot of work went into this thing, but it just came out looking really awesome. Super cool, super happy with this thing. Hope you guys dig it. That's going to do it for this one, though. Stick around for some more pictures of the truck. Otherwise, until next time, get out, work on your own projects, get those hands dirty and greasy, stay cool, and we'll catch you cats on the next one. Thanks for watching.